Hey, Xavier here from Tameron Hyundai. Thank you for your inquiry on the Santa Fe. You see I have one pulled up right behind me. This is going to be the 2019 Santa Fe Ultimate 2.0 Turbo. This is a beautiful vehicle. Check out the honeycomb grille and the LED wraparound headlights. It's also going to come with premium alloy wheels. This vehicle is also going to be equipped with tons of our latest safety features like blind spot detection and lane keep assist. Follow me, I'll show you what's inside. This vehicle is going to come equipped with leather. It's going to have heated seats as well as cool seats, an 8-inch touchscreen display with navigation, Apple CarPlay as well as Android CarPlay, a panoramic sunroof. But that's not the best part about it. The best part about this vehicle is going to be our warranty. Our warranty here is going to be 5 years, 60,000 mile bumper to bumper, as well as a 20-year, 200,000 mile powertrain warranty exclusively here at Tameron. So if you would, give me a call at 205-886-0890. Gonna love the way you're treated here at Tameron.